This is Eric's cool school with no jewel. Looks like all the little kiddies be listening to the profess.
Now class, for homework, I want you all to write down the differences between Eric and I words. Make sure to be specific.
Hey Businessman, what is an I word?
What? You retard. What did I just spend 34 hours talking about?
Oh, I words are inklings.
What did you just say, dumbass kid?
What? Inkling.
Aw shit, vibe check.
I swear Principal Sweet Tea, it was all the professor's fault. I'm innocent.
Supernova.